to Krishna without any expectations, material expectations, without imagination. That is called transcendental. And there are 9 ways in which one can render transcendental service to the Supreme Lord. It is disclosed by the boy devotee Bhakta Prahalad in Srimad Bhagavatam. He says, Shravanam Kirtanam Vishnu, Smaranam Padasevanam, Achanam Dhasyam Vandanam, Atma Sakyam Atma Nivedanam. These are the 9 aspects of devotional service. And Bhagavatam explains how some of the devotees perfected their lives by rendering these 9 types of devotional service. For example, King Parikshit, just by hearing attentively Srimad Bhagavatam, he perfected his life. That is Shravanam. Then Kirtanam, Shukadev Goswami, while narrating Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshit Maharaj, he attained perfection. Here the perfection means to develop intense attachment to the Supreme Personality of Godhead and for his service. Then Smaranam, always thinking of the Lord, and Bhakta Prahalad himself is an example of the one who always thought of the Supreme Personality. And then Vandanam, offering prayers to the Supreme Lord. Akrura, there is one great devotee, he has attained perfection just by offering prayers to the Lord. And then Dasyam, when it comes to Dasyam, the example that is given is Lakshmi Devi, who is always at the lotus feet of the Lord and worshipping the lotus feet. It is an example of Dasyam. And also Bhakta Hanuman, the one who is considered the topmost devotee of the Supreme Personality of Godhead. Dasyam, then Sakyam, like Arjuna, he has perfected his life by friendly relations with the Supreme Lord. And then Atma Nivedana.